Hello everybody, we're back again here. To work on any electric vehicle, you're going to need to de-energize the vehicle. I'm going to show you how to de-energize a Polestar 2 to start off. Come to the back of the vehicle here and remove this. After removing this, I want you to lay down the seat here. I now want you to remove this cover here. After pulling the left panel apart here in the rear of the trunk, you're going to want to come over here and you want to come to this area, and if you see this is called a T-cam battery. You're going to want to remove this T-cam battery right here. To remove the T-cam battery, you're going to want to stick a screwdriver in here and release the clip. Here's the T-cam battery. I want you to remove the plug there. I want you to remove the T-cam battery here and lay it on the side. I next want you to come over to the hood here, and I want you to remove the covers here, like so, to expose the battery here. And I want you to come around and take the negative side off the battery, 10mm. Remove the battery terminal and move it to the side. I then want you to come to the rear passenger seat of the vehicle. On the floorboard here, you're going to have a cover. So underneath this cover here, you have something called an MSD, which is a manual shutdown for the high voltage system. Pull this out, and the high voltage system is disconnected. With the MSD released here and pulled out, I have a special cap that I stick on just to make sure that there's no high voltage being exposed. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.